after a big old meal. Had a little pressure, thought I'd let it squeal. But something went wrong, didn't sound quite right. Felt a little more than just air take flight. Oh Lord, I farted, and it wasn't just a fart. What I thought was gas turned into a work of art. Now I'm sitting real still, praying for a breeze, hopping off the porch, shuffling with shaky knees. I farted, and it wasn't just a fart. Who knew dinner would hit this hard? I glanced at the dog,